installing Q50 paddle shifters on a non-Redsport Q60 because they don't come with them, and I need them. I ordered the kit from some dude from China. I ordered the new column covers that allow for the paddle shifters from Infinity, and then I just got these OEM shifters from Infinity. Let's go over here. So if you guys see, I've already got the process started. I took the cover off. The only difficulty in this kit, I want to say, is hold on one sec. Right here, there's a specialty bolt that looks like this. So we can focus. No. Okay. So we can focus. So it's threaded on two sides, and basically you need to tap this in order to get this to screw on here. Get a better look. So this can screw on here, and then the paddle shifter will sit like this. So let me tap that and get the process started. So I didn't film too much of that process because tapping these is a complete pain in the ass. But anyways, so the wiring harness is going to come with an attachment for the back of the cluster. So pretty much all you got to do is like stick your hands back here, pop this off, stick your hands back here, pop it off, and then there's two screws on the bottom, one clip in the back, and you basically just take it, plug it in, and then plug in the other side, and the cables will come out right back here. Very, very simple, very self-explanatory. And then you just plug these into the back of the paddle shifter. There's a bolt right here that's provided to attach them, and then there's that set screw. You just need to put a nut in there. So I'm gonna put those in and then kind of go from there. Okay guys, so after you're done bolting the paddle shifters all up, the bottom piece, which is the column cover, the top and the bottom, they need to be switched to a Q50 one. So everything that you're gonna pull to do this swap, my bad, this light is shitty. So what you're gonna, all the stuff you have to do the swaps, they're gonna make paddle shifters from a Q50, column covers from a Q50, and then the hardware is included with the kit that I got. But other than that, all of this stuff seems to be working. So I guess now we just go on a drive and see if it is working. So let's run. Okay guys, my bad for the wind because I'm driving, but let's see if I downshift. So everything is seeming to work. Upshift, upshift. Yeah, so it looks like it's working. Downshift. One more. So everything seems to be working, guys. So there you go. Q50 paddle shifters on a Q60. If you have a Q60, let me put the windows up. If you have a Q60 Lux or base model like I do, I mean, this car honestly, like, when I'm trying to race people and I'm driving and I have the camera in my hand and I'm trying to shift, like, it just looks so stupid because I put the camera down to shift, and you know, like doing a 40 roll, it just doesn't work. So having these paddle shifters is so much more convenient. And the cool thing about them, unlike the Q60s, normally the Q60s with paddle shifters, they're on the steering wheel, but if you see these, they're not on the steering wheel, they're on the column. So it's way better. It's kind of like how GTRs have their paddle shifters on the column. So like, you know, when you're racing or whatever, you don't need to be trying to find your paddle shifters and shit. So that's way better. Anyways, thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you guys watching. If you guys have any questions on where I got this kit from, I'll try to put the link down below. If not, just follow me on Instagram at SoCalQ60. Shoot me a DM and I'll respond to you guys. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. This is another video. I have more to come. I have a lot coming for the Q. I know you guys don't like too much E30 content, I've noticed, because the views are way higher on the Q60 as they are on the E30. So I'm gonna be toning it down on the E30 videos. I am gonna be posting some up though. Like I'm gonna put an I already have an LSD, but I'm gonna weld the diff. I'm gonna take it out drifting. So I'm gonna post some track days doing stuff like that. But yeah, thank you guys again. I really appreciate it. DM me if you have any questions on this, and thank you guys for watching. I'll freaking see you guys later.